lovelies! Hope you're all well and safe. Today I'll be making my favorite dish, butter chicken. Whenever I go to an Indian restaurant, I always order butter chicken. But as you know, we are all in quarantine, so I decided to make my easy butter chicken recipe. And I would like to share with you guys. Hope you enjoy it. In your bowl, add chicken, then garlic paste, ginger paste, red chili powder, lemon juice, Greek yogurt, salt, mustard oil, now mix it all together. Now let it marinate for 30 minutes. In your pan, add butter and vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add marinated chicken. I have tested so many butter chicken recipes, but this one is by far my favorite. Make sure you don't overcook your chicken, otherwise it will get dry. Now flip your chicken to the other side. So now add all your chicken in a plate. For the gravy, in your pan, add some chopped onions with some butter. Add some salt. Add garlic paste and ginger paste. Chop some tomatoes. Now add the tomatoes in your pan. Mix it, mix it. Add chili powder. Add water and mix. Throw some cashew nuts in your pan. Cover the pot and cook for 10 minutes. Now add some salt and add some sugar. Add your gravy into the blender. Now blend, blend, blend. Add the blended gravy into your pan. Add some water if it's too thick. Add some butter. Now some garam masala and some double cream. Now add the cooked chicken in the gravy. Now mix it all together. Add dried fenugreek. Now it's ready. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you will try my recipe, and if you do try my recipe, don't forget to comment down below. And please subscribe my channel and like my video. I'll see you guys tomorrow for my another recipe. Till then, toodles, Allah Hafiz. Now blend, blend, blend.
Oh, no, 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 no.